Hello, my name is Junaid Ahmed Fazli. I'm recording this video for demonstration of 9th exercise in my mobile application development lab using Android. The experiment is about creating and using multi-tab layout in any application. So for that, this is the XML file for main activity. There is a toolbar here, but for creating a multi-tab, it's not necessary that you have to have a toolbar. The normal action bar is not going to create any problem. Then we have to add a tab layout for the frag 1, frag 2 and frag 3. We have the tab layout, and the names, like these fragment names, are given as tab items. Then we have view pager. View pager is where the tablets are going to be seen, and that's how we are going to link this view pager to our tab layout, and then we'll be scrolling between the tabs. This is my main activity. For using this, I have to create a class of myAdapter. This is the class. This myAdapter class has to extend fragment state pager adapter class, otherwise it will not work. Then using a constructor for this class, we are getting an object of fragment manager, which we will be passing to our super class, that means fragment state pager adapter, and we have to override one method very necessarily, that is of get item, and using position. That means if it was on position 1, like frag 1 is position 0, frag 2 is position 1, frag 3 is position 2. So using the position k0, that means when position is 0, we have to return an object of class frag 1. Case is 1, we have to return an object of class frag 2, and if case is 2, we have to return an object of class frag 3. Then the next overridden method is of get count. That means total number of tabs that we have in our activity, but for this experiment it's of not much of use. The main method for this experiment is get item. These are the 3 fragments that are created. The fragment class extends the fragment. This frag1 class extends the fragment class, and on create view method has to be overridden, and that's a must, otherwise the fragment will not work. And then we have to inflate an XML file. This is the XML file that we have created for fragment 1. There is not much content inside it, just a little bit design. There's a background color given, there's a text, and some editing to the text has been made. Similar to frag 1, frag 2 and frag 3 is created, and both the class also has to extend the fragment class and must override on create view method. Now the corresponding layout files are layout2.xml and layout3.xml for frag 2 and frag 3. And one more thing that we have to do is, inside our Gradle scripts, we have to add dependencies for compilation of multi-tabs. If we don't add these dependencies, our multi-tab layout is not going to function. Then this is my main activity. I have created an object of toolbar, and this is just to set proper title to it. Then an object of tab layout and view pager. Now using my myAdapter class object, I'm passing 2 arguments, get support fragment manager. Now this is the thing that we will be passing to the constructor of fragment state pager adapter to make these fragments work as multi-tabs. Then we are populating the view pager with the myAdapter object, and we are calling a method as add on page change listener, passing 1 argument of new tab layout object, tab layout on page change listener, and argument we are passing is the object of tab layout. I'll show you the output. This is how it is going to look. On frag 1, fragment 1 is displayed. When I scroll, go to the next fragment, the next tab is selected for frag 2. If I scroll further, frag 3 is selected, and the related Java file and XML file is called. The same thing can be done the otherwise. This way. So that's how this program is working, creating multiple fragments and linking these fragments to a specific XML file using inflator, creating a my class adapter so that we can use we can integrate the tabs with the fragments, and while scrolling we get a proper formatted output, and creating a tab layout and view pager in our main activity to integrate these fragments there. So now, as we have seen, the multi-tab layout is working properly using view pager, and the output is achieved as we have expected. Thank you.